Hi, here's a quick tutorial on how to add a contact. You can add anyone from around the world as a contact on Borderless, even if they're not a Borderless user. There are two ways to add a contact: using quick search if they're a Borderless user, or using manual entry if they're not a Borderless user. Let's get started. First, you'll need to go to your contacts page and then click Add Contact on the top right-hand side. By selecting Quick Search, you can add any Borderless contact using their PayMe handle or display name. Just start typing their name or handle and contacts will appear. Once you see the appropriate contact, select them and then click Add. Once added, you will see a Borderless Approved Contact icon, which means you can now make payments to them. No banking information needed, it's that simple. Now, if the contact does not have a Borderless account, you can still pay them by adding them as your contact. To do so, we'll choose manual entry when adding a contact and go through a 3-step process. Here, you can select the type of contact you wish to add, business or personal, the country they're located in alongside their currency. We support over 60 plus countries, and enter their name and email. This will help you to easily identify them and will enable us to notify them of any incoming payments. Then you enter some basic details such as their address or phone number. Finally, enter their banking details. Payments will be sent to the bank account information entered here. We provide you with a review screen to make sure the information is correct. And then click Create. This will save the contact in your contacts list, so the next time you need to pay them, you simply type in their name and click Pay. Now you can enjoy simple payments to anyone in the world. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and let us know how we're doing. Thanks for watching.